Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, announcing the arrival of Her Excellency Lady Valerie Fubara, wife of the Governor of Rivers State.
Few months back, we gathered here to distribute the token, which is sent to the Elderly Support Scheme and its beneficiaries in Rivers State. Today, through your guidance, Your Excellency, ma'am, we are here to reach out to school pupils. By your permission, Your Excellency, may I invite the Honorable Commissioner for Education, Rivers State, and the Executive Chairman of the Rivers State Universal Basic Education Board to please step forward to receive these items on behalf of the beneficiary.
Women here present, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. It is with utmost excitement that I warmly welcome everyone today to this event. My joy is fundamentally hinged on the fact that our state is fortunate to be a beneficiary of the Renewed Hope Initiative of the wife of the President, Senator Remi Tinubu. While we had earlier flagged off an empowerment scheme for the elderly in this same place, today we are here to set off a valuable program in support of education through the provision of free exercise books to children in our dear state. This event is quite significant and dear to our state, as education is one of the cardinal pillars of the administration of our governor, my husband, Sir Valerie Fubara. The presentation of these 50,000 exercise books, I'm emphasizing on it, please, 50,000 copies of exercise books, is therefore synergic in promoting quality education for a better Nigeria. So it is gratifying that children are the prime beneficiaries of this particular scheme. Please let me add by saying that these exercise books should be distributed to pupils and students in the public schools, please. Public schools, please. When I mean public schools, I mean for the 23 LGAs in Rivers State. I must therefore express my profound gratitude to the wife of the President for extending this love to our state. Amen. The initiative is in line with our determined efforts of advancing and of sustaining quality programs that uplift and give hope to our people. It is indeed an initiative that will make Rivers State and Nigeria better. Distinguished guests, let me conclude by also thanking every one of you for finding time to be part of this event. Thank you and God bless.